Hey guys, welcome back to my challenge Chua. I know it's been a good minute since I've done a video on my channel. I'm sorry about that. And it's been a while since I posted anything on Instagram, about two and a half weeks. My bad. But I'm gonna start posting regularly again. I've just been doing a lot of shit this month. I mean, it's my birthday month, so I guess I'll get a pass on that. I'll be doing my foundation, highlight, contour, routine. Don't know what I'm gonna call this video. Using the Skin Kiss Vitamin C Serum. I got this and I've been seeing this all over Instagram and I wanted to try this out. I know it says you could use this twice a day as a serum, or you could use this as a primer before your makeup and all that. So that's what I'm gonna do today, is use it as a primer for my foundation. Yes, we're gonna get started on this video. So let me tuck my hair behind my ears and shit, so just don't get on my hair really. So I can't really put a headband on because of the extensions. We're going to be using the Skin Kiss Vitamin C Serum, and it has collagen and hyaluronic acid and all that to help with your skin. And of course this is good for oily and acne treated skin. So it's a good treatment for that, to help with all that stuff. So I'm just going to pour like a little bit on my face. I don't pour too much, because yeah, this stuff is like, I don't want to get all greasy feeling. So I'm just going to just rub this all over my face. It doesn't really have a smell to it, just a doesn't really have a smell. Kind of gives you a tacky feeling though when you're rubbing on your face. I don't think serum's supposed to do that, but it's good for a primer because I like tackiness for a primer. So we're gonna be using the Milani Conceal Imperfect foundation and the color Warm Beige. So hopefully this is my color because I didn't really test it out. I mean, I kind of poured it on my hand and it kind of matched my hand, so hopefully it matches my face and that doesn't oxidize too dark or anything. Here, let's try it. I'm just gonna squirt some on my face, I guess. Is this too much? This is probably too much. Probably too much, but we're gonna. Ooh, that's too much on that. Maybe this is too much. I put too much foundation. Oh well, we'll just bring it down my neck. Oh, this is so much. I messed up my eyebrow. No. Let's look at the brush. Ignore this right now. Okay. Let's fix my eyebrow real quick. So this is like the first time using this serum, so we'll see how it goes in 14 days. Okay, it's all on, even though it's a little too much. Kinda don't like the feeling of this foundation. Still looks kind of wet. That's probably because I put too much, maybe. That's probably why. But we're gonna put powder and shit, so. So I usually use different colors of concealer, a lighter one and a yellow toned concealer. First I'll put the yellow toned one. My beauty blender just fell. So I put the yellow tone concealer first just to cover up the dark circles, because that's what I fucking have right now. From lack of fucking sleep because of all someone not named names yet. Anyway, so I'll just put that right there and just dab. And after that, more concealer. So I used a lighter one right on top of that. Which technically I could have just mixed these two, but oh well. So I'm just gonna highlight some areas. I don't know, randomly. Put some up there too, I guess. Why not? So of course, dab again with the Beauty Blender. Because I'm gonna kind of blend this out towards my temple. Sorry for the weird faces. I mean, you can't help it when you do makeup, so. Yeah. I never highlight my chin. I don't know why I did that. Just kind of bring that out. And then the fucking forehead. Let's make my forehead bigger. Why not? Okay, and after that, I need powder. Hold on one second. I don't have my. I'm gonna be using the Airspun loose powder. This has been through a lot. As you can see, there's tape right there to keep it together. And the powder's still spilling all over the place. I'm just gonna bake underneath the eyes, kind of. Just to make sure I don't fucking crease and all that shit underneath my eyes. And a little bit on my chin. Just basically where I highlighted. A little on my forehead. I don't want too much on my forehead. I'll be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting powder, and I'm using the Morphe M462 brush to apply my powders. First, I just kind of pat it on. Kind of wondering where I put the first powder. Kind of, sort of. I kind of wipe it off now, because I don't want that fucking white shit on my face. After the powder and all that stuff is on my face, then I start to contour. So I'm using the Morphe 8H palette. So I'm kind of be mixing these two colors together. I'm using my Japanese contour brush. Those two, make sure you mix it pretty good. Then I just contour it. Looks too much, but we'll blend that out. I think it's that fucking Fabulous color. It's too dark for me. Then of course I'm gonna use my powder brush and kind of tone this down a little bit and kind of blend it. My blush, and I'm using the Pretty Vulgar blush, Make Them Blush and Hush blush. That's just too much to say. So I'm just lightly doing on top of my contour and the apples of my cheek. I'm gonna bake right by my jawbone just to sharpen up that contour line. And while that's baking and stuff, I contour my nose, and I'm using the whatever brush this is. I know it's BH Cosmetics, but the number went away. So I'm just going to use like a fluffy brush like this, contour my nose. So I'm just using the same 8H palette, but I'm using the color Donut, the lighter shade of the 4. And I kind of put a little bit on my crease of my eye just to give it some definition, you know. After I do the contour, I get the powder brush again and just wipe this shit off my face. Then, highlights. Of course, my go-to is the Ofra highlighter or Rodeo Drive, and of course this is about to be out soon. and they came out with new packaging. So this is the old packaging still. I'm using the Morphe M510 brush to highlight everything. Of course, I like to do 2 highlighters using the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter. So I just put that right on top of Rodeo Drive to give it more of a pop. My shirt's falling. And of course, don't forget the mascara. I still have eyelash glue in my eyelashes. Oh well. Okay. Let this mascara dry a bit more. I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I've been using this for a while now and I really like this setting spray. The makeup stays on forever, and I remember at this one party I was like melting and my makeup stayed on the whole time, and people were like, how is your makeup still on? And I'm like, I don't know, I guess it's just a setting spray. Anyways, I'm gonna shut the fuck up and spray. Where's the hole? Okay, there's the hole. And then I just fan my face. And last step is lips. So I'm gonna do lips off camera actually. I'll be right back. Now that I have my lipstick on and looking at this foundation in the mirror, I really do like this foundation a lot. I'm surprised because after putting too much of it and it kind of looked dewy. I don't really like dewy foundation, I like more of the matte side. But I do like this a lot. It's not bad. We'll see throughout the day if it's gonna stay on. It's supposed to stay... Ooh, I almost fucking dropped that shit. It's supposed to stay on... It says full, medium full coverage, long wearing, water resistant, and sweat proof. We'll see if this is sweat proof because last weekend I sweated so much and melted all my makeup off. So we'll see if it's sweat proof. And plus it's hot as fuck outside. So I'll probably let y'all know on the next video how that goes. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section down below if I should make a video on the 7-day mark or 14-day mark, or just do both. Just let me know down below. Anyways, with this Skin Kiss Vitamin C Serum, I've done a different serum before, foundation before, like it said, you could use it before your makeup application, but with that, it kind of gave me creases and my foundation was slipping off, so it didn't really stay on. But I really do kind of like this. I'm saying kinda right now because it's the first day. I don't really say, oh, I really love this product, because yeah, it's my first time using it, and I mean, I wanted to try it soon all over Instagram, so why not? So far it's not making my foundation slip off. There's no creasing. Really like the look of it. Like, it looks so pretty right now. Like, my foundation just looks airbrushed. This doesn't really have a smell to it since I smelled it, but I really do like vitamin C serum, so let's see if this works out for me. Just let me know. Comment section down below if y'all want to see a review video 7 days or 14 days for both. So yeah. If y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. It'll be somewhere on the screen, probably like down here, maybe this area, like I always do, on the bottom, somewhere right here. So don't forget to follow me on all of that. I post regularly, but for like this month I haven't been posting on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting regularly again since Halloween's coming up and that's my favorite holiday, and I can't disappoint y'all. And there's so many looks I'm needing to post and I've done, and this need to be edited and all that. I was just waiting for closer to Halloween instead of September because, and plus engagement sucks on Instagram lately. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.